Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to transfer funds from Cash App to bank account. To start, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a bank or debit card linked to your Cash App account. To check this, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, look for the Link Banks option under the Account and Settings section. Tap on that, and you'll see any accounts you have already connected. If this is your first time, the list will be empty. To link your bank, tap Link Bank, and you will see a prompt explaining Cash App's secure connection via Play, which ensures safe transfers between your bank and Cash App. Tap Continue at the bottom, then search for and select your bank. Follow the steps to log in and authenticate your account. Once confirmed, your bank will appear in the Link Account section. Now that your bank is linked, you can transfer your Cash App balance. Go back to the main screen and tap the money icon at the bottom. At the top, you will see your Cash App balance and the option to cash out. Tap that and a pop-up will let you choose how much you want to transfer. Use the slider to select your amount, then hit cash out. You'll have two options: standard, which is free but takes a few days, or instant, which has a small fee. Once you choose, if you haven't linked a bank yet, you'll be asked to do so. If you have multiple banks linked, you will select which one to transfer to. After that, your money will either be scheduled to transfer or instantly deposited in your bank account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!